Woo! That's a good one, huh, bud? Wonder why they're everywhere. Where was the bar, dude?
What?
No bar spin?
Yeah.
Dude, you scrubbed the end of that.
I clipped it.
I heard you.
Right? The faster you push that, the more stable it gets.
You alright, man? Get a little shaky? You good?
Yeah, a little bit of arm pump.
That's good? Don't land any snakes, okay?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Good?
Look good on that one, bud. Styling, he couldn't rube it because all those people were watching. He had to put his best show on, right?
Yeah.
Get a little...
Your favorite thing to do is like throw a whip and then like do like a T-box.
Little whip T-whip. Yeah, when there's people watching, like all of a sudden you're like, gotta do something cool, gotta do something cool. Go, Pickle, go, go, go! Oh, no! That one you gotta work on a little bit.
Yeah.
That one straightaway, you just got a boogie.
Alright.
You know what I mean? That big long straightaway?
Yep.
Other than that, you were good.
Alright. Thank you.
And then those switchbacks, you gotta figure out how to get high in that one corner and jump down in, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Wait till you watch
I
the...
wanted to try that, but...
Yeah, I get it. Dude, it's your first day. I mean, come on. So like you'll see the video, you're like going through here and I jumped and like almost...
Oh, really?
Yeah. It was good though. Nice job.
My palms can't take anymore.
Huh?
Nah.
What's that?
My palms can't take any more than that.
I know, it's like.
Finally got that step up. That big one?
Yeah, we're boogieing.
I just cooked into it.
Yeah. Bug. All right, ready? Go, keep it safe. Woo! Oh no! I cased it again. Bad. Lord, please keep him safe. Oh. Oh. Whoops. Oh. Blue chain. Whoa!
So I forgot a hair tie at home and I wasn't really sure what I was gonna do, so I got in the toolkit and I'm using a zip tie. I just want everybody to know that I'm patenting this because it works great.
This is where I smoked my wheel last time. Careful. Yeah, that's where it was, right there. A drop? Where's there a drop?
Right here.
Oh! Whoa! Oh! That's a good one. Oh, shit. Oh, Bucky. Woo! Nice job, Pavlik. You! Dude, you greased that one, huh, bud?
You were up there. Oh, that was sick.
Did you poop a little bit?
No. That time.
No? Nice work.
Thank you.
That was sick, dude.
Yeah.
You gonna do the drop this time?
Oh, yeah, I'll do it. Okay. I wasn't sure if you were going to go for it or not.
You were a little nose heavy last time. Just keep a little up on the... You'll be good.
Right.
Don't go crazy, though.
I won't. Good?
Good? Dude, you can't do that. It's cheating.
What'd I do?
Cutting the corners.
I didn't mean to.
He like
Kind of cutting it close.
the jump. He took the far inside so he could clear it. 'Cause he didn't have enough speed.
Isn't that crazy to think that that can get in the air?
I know, right?
Why are you still videoing?
You got to do the post interview on the drop.
I still almost went wobbly.
Yeah, I saw you.
I was wobbly.
Because like I said, don't go too slow. And all of a sudden you started going.
And then I felt like I had to pedal.
Yeah, and then you got wobbly again.
Right, so why are you talking to me?